Vivo V30 series is all set to launch on March 7, bringing two new smartphones to the market and are likely to increase the competition. The two smartphones, Vivo V30 and Vivo V30 Pro, will be successors to the Vivo V29 series, which was launched in October last year. The Vivo V30 is expected to feature a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Generation 3 SoC and could come with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. On the software front, the Vivo V30 is likely to run on Vivo's own FunTouch OS 14, which is based on the Android 14 operating system. The Vivo V30 could feature a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor with support for OIS and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. There is also expected to be a 50-megapixel autofocus sensor on the front of the smartphone to handle all selfie and video calling needs. Vivo V30 Pro is also likely to feature the same 6.78-inch Full HD Plus OLED panel with support for 120Hz refresh rate. On the processor front, however, the Vivo V30 Pro is likely to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset and support up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The Vivo V30 Pro could feature a triple camera setup at the back with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 primary sensor with support for OIS and 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor with OIS and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor. There is also expected to be a 50-megapixel G's autofocus shooter on the front to handle all your selfie and video calling needs. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.